Okay, time to go back. Finish, our, our project upstairs, and it's already almost 3 o'clock so far. Okay, Merry Christmas. That's for you.
Thank you.
Bon, bon.
That's all I need. More sugar.
Wrap it?
No more wrapping.
Wait, what are you doing? Take one of those. Wow. Take these.
Oh, I like those. Those are the shortbread joints, right, Katie?
No. Thank you. That's everything I could have wanted.
It's biscotti. I need a salt shaker, not a pepper
I
shaker.
know. I'm gonna change it.
Keep it. Thank you.
He's gonna eat some right now.
I'm gonna eat it.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Something simple.
Shit's the best one.
Something simple.
This ain't simple.
Can I get kisses?
Alright. Where's my fur, Aubrey?
Sorry.
Where's my Tesla?
Merry Christmas.
Why would you look?
I don't know. Isn't wine not good after a certain period of time?
She just opened it a second ago.
No, I'm talking about like the wine
good.
that we currently have right now.
Oh, throw that away. Shit. That thing's been sitting there for months, man. It's
Good.
yucky already.
How long are you supposed to keep wine for?
A day or so? 2 days?
No.
Again.
Yeah, well, this is the link. She's having the link issue. Oh, Jessica, look, you're able to expand your screen. Mom did it, actually. She turned it sideways. Good job.
At para sa iyo, aking kaibigan, iniwan mo mga kami na maaga sa mundong ito, pero yan na talaga ang nakalaan para sa iyo. Sa mga laalang, idinulot mo sa amin, naampa, at magpakailanman, hindi ka namin makakalimutan. Thank you so much. You touched so many lives of others. Pinasaya mo, binuo mo ang pagiging magkakaibigan. Salamat.
Where's the clock? 55. Okay, don't go any. Oh, this is the one that Auntie Erin was talking about. So
Yeah.
slow down. Slow down. That's my niece, the kulit. That's their mommy, my sister. And this is my nephew, the car racer driver. Masyadong mabilis. I feel
Now
like
that
I'm
we know
gonna-
this one, we're close to Aunt Harry's house.
The mountain. We're heading out to the mountain. Driving by my nephew who drive like crazy. I feel like you want to pee in my pants right now. Yeah, he is very, very aggressive driver. I'm hanging on to my seat right now, criticizing my driving because I drive like an old lady, which I am an old lady, right? And they don't like my music as well. Gosh, slow down, please. We need to stop. I need to use the restroom. nervous na ako sa iyo. Oh, nabata ka. Pastilan. Pastilan. Padayaw na bata. Say padayaw.
I'm good. I don't want to say it.
So we're doing, you know, a house restoration. My sister got a house, and right now we're at Home Depot buying some stuff, you know, for the house. We're doing a little bit at a time. So right now we are here with my dad and my nephew, Home Depot. So we need tape.
Somebody want a big one? Big one. Big one. But that's the same thing right here. Yeah, I know. You pass it already. You pass it already. It's on the other side.
Pull up your pants. Good. Samurai.
No, it's okay. We'll just cut it. We'll just cut the extra stuff. And then we'll use the extra that we don't.
Here we go, restoration, and whatever we're doing right now, it's ongoing. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We are going to baklas all the wallpaper. Nandito tayo sa attic ngayon. We're going to clean it and make this, you know, attic, you know, upper picture. Kunyari. That's what we're going to do right now. Helping my sister out. Messy. Gonna be a lot of work. It's gonna be a lot of work. So we're gonna do this slowly but surely. We're gonna make this into a rec room. And that hideous color of paint, we're gonna change that to nice and look how wide or how big is her backyard.
Oh, in area.
I need a break. We're eating. We have no table, so we have this little table, you know, table and a little chair. It look like I'm being, you know, punished. So I'm gonna eat right now. I have chicken.
She
and
has some grilled
banana.
chicken and bananas.
And something that I made.
Oh, yes, that looks good.
Diet
Diet?
smile. No vegetable, just sagging and grilled chicken with no salt.
With no
because my
rice?
mother cannot, you know,
With no rice either?
yeah. So I'm gonna be thin.
There's salt. You want salt?
Okay. Grilled cheese, toyo.
No, not grilled cheese, grilled chicken.
Oh, grilled chicken, gosh.
No, you just said grilled cheese.
I
May
made a
spray tayo,
mistake.
mas maganda rin.
Why you quit? Oh, akala ko you quit mine chicken. Time to go back. Finish, you know, our, you know, our project upstairs, and it's already almost 3 o'clock. So far, we have not done that much, you know, work. But we're gonna try our best. Okay, so now we are going to continue. This wall right here, nasa ate kami. We were able to, you know, remove the wallpaper. It was like 2 layers of wallpaper. So can you imagine that? But thank goodness YouTube is a very useful tool. We were able to, you know, remove the wallpaper na walang oras because my sister was very resourceful. So right here, yes, go ahead, take your time. So right now we're gonna continue this, you know, try to, you know, remove as much as possible before we head out. I'm off tomorrow, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to come here because it'll take about an hour, at least an hour and a half for me to get here. Hopefully it's not raining tomorrow, but I'm not gonna tell my sister or my mom. I'm just gonna come in here. I would like to, you know, finish this as much as possible, but there's a lot of things that, you know, you need to, you know, to do in this, you know, house. It's a cute house, old, but it has a really good potential when you put your mind into it. I think we can turn this house, you know, into a nice house. Anyway, now we're back home and we just ordered, you know, pho. I got my big ball and she got the little ball, the little bata.
Look at the noodle.
Get the little ball and mine is like a ginormous. And
I'm
here's
surprised
my
I'll eat this one now, noodles.
JJ.
Last time she doesn't like
let's eat, guys.
this. We've been eating.
We've been eating all day today. Hardly didn't do any work today, but we're not done yet and we're gonna keep going back. It's gonna be a big project, but it's okay. Oop. We're gonna do it slowly but surely. Mukbang. Pho. Mukbang. I'm choking. This is so hot. Is it good, JJ?
This is good.
Delicious. Amazing.
Next time we're not gonna buy it. I'm just gonna make it. But this takes forever.
This is yummy.